got your microphone, your oscillation or whatever, and then your ACN and your DCN, right? And your ground for your phono, right? Close controls like that. Okay, so you're probably wondering where the music is coming from. It's coming from the CD player, which is on the ground here. Which is, whoops, wait, what did I do? What did I do? Go back. Oh, I don't want to start that end. Oh, I had this queued up. Wait, go the other way. Okay. Play. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, there's that song. But that's not the one I wanted to play. I wanted to go 5. There we go. Okay. Put it on tape, and we hit play. And just in case you're wondering, you can hit eject here, and we can put this in here, close that, and hit play again. But this side has MLS, which is, oh, what is MLS? Doesn't even say it on it. Their brand of music search, right? So let's hit rewind. Hit a rewind, and we did that already. Let's hit rewind again. Wait. Now it should go past that song and back to the tail end of that, because that got ruined. That tape got ruined. Just something like that. Okay. So there's that. Now this is number 2 on this one, so if we go back to 2, okay, and we flip it back to auxiliary, there it is, there's the full sound on the CD, and of course, we got that, or no bass. Of course, play. So they both work. It all works, right? It's 4 minutes. Okay. There's that song, which is as you can see, I like playing my CD or playing the cassette, right? So, go back to the tape. Not much difference in the sound. So, got that one. And then we got eject on this one. We throw it back in here. Oh, nope. Wait. Play. So they both work, right? This machine uses an individual motor for each deck. And I made a video the other day where none of this worked, or didn't. It fast forwarded, rewinded, but did not play in either deck. So now it plays in both decks because it has a new belt in both decks, as well as a, oh that's right. Let's go back and show you that we put a new tape counter in here. Woohoo! So here's that. Well, can we salvage this? No? Okay. Well, let's just eject it and see what happened. Yeah, it ate the tape. Oh well. Not so much. Oh, let's see if I can fix this on camera. Okay, let me just put the camera down on my lap. Alright, so, and just, this is my well-eaten demonstration tape. Let's see here, so, just use my finger ironing thing. This is this is somewhat tight tape, so it likes to eat tapes. And just, whoop, you didn't see me using my fingernail to do that. Okay, great. Yeah, that's how we do it. So now yeah, we'll throw it back in here. Wait, so on A side, yeah, because nothing on B. So let's rewind. Play. No, so yeah. See how it flows and whatever. Not a very good tape. Anyway, so, and of course, after playing just the CD and that all this time, I bet you want to know if the radio works. Well, yeah, the radio works. I see my whole life. Okay, let me, oh, I can't do this. So, where is the power light? There's the power light, and then over here is the stereo light. So.
Anywhere. Verdugo was 1 for 4. I was so in love with you. Los increíbles ahorros en colchón. Es muy peligrosa, las pone celosas, a las envidiosas, morrita mamá, lo tiene.
I'm down the volume here. I don't listen to AM that much, but just nothing out here. Who cares? Alright, I've had fun.
Cuando use su tarjeta NFM, encuentre
stereo.
De alta calidad.
See, there's stereo.
Increíbles
Barely.
Nuestra venta de aniversario número 87.
And then put it off. And there's
solo en
no stereo. Alright, so no stereo, but if you put it in stereo, now you're going to get stereo. Alright, so anyway, that's my review of this little thing here. Works fine. Put a quality tape in and won't eat it. And now at nearly 9 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It's for sale if you want it. It's what? Decent Man for You 2000. No. What is my email address? No, it's Decent Man for You at, I can't even remember my email address anymore. It's decentmanforyou@gmail.com. There we go. Decentmanforyou@gmail.com. There we go. I think that's right. I can't remember anymore. Okay, thanks for watching. Good day, bye.